What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So just a couple things before we start out the analysis. I recently released a course, so if you guys like what I do on YouTube and you would like to do it yourself, go and check out the description below for the link. And then another thing is that I reply to every comment, so please leave some comments down below. I don't care what it is. I always reply to those comments, so let's increase the activity around the channel. So where's Alibaba going? It's going down, so we can just end the video right here. No, I'm just kidding, guys. So let's take a look at the chart. Alibaba is continuing to sell off harshly. As I predicted on my last video, we definitely reached that $85 level, or very close to it. That was my target, I believe it was, because we had a range, and normally when we break outside of a range and it is successful, not a failed breakout, we can get a measured move outside of it. So this is the first move, or the width of the range. This is the second move, and we pretty much hit the measured move and we hit the target. So we could see a retracement here, but that's not guaranteed. You can see that previously we came back to test this previous breakout level. It was acting as support, and now it turned into resistance. So this is a bearish sign when we come back and find resistance. However, it could have been a short trap and we could have rocketed out of there. However, they didn't do that. They continued lower. So this is a bearish sign, and most likely we were going to go down to that measure move since we could not push up any higher. So I released my video last Friday, and ever since then we've been trickling down to that measured move that has finally been achieved. So where are we going next for Alibaba? Well, all the channels are still kind of pointing down. It's a very bearish stock, so I'm looking for lower price targets, unfortunately. So you can see that this is the channel working lower. Looks like this potentially could be a little break right here, which would show signs of weakness. However, the price is really not showing any signs of weakness, so maybe we need to adjust a little bit higher. So maybe the channel is like that, and looks like it's working its way to the lower side of the channel, which is at the $67 level, $66 level. So that's a potential target for Alibaba. If I zoom in on the chart, let's take a look at the long-term downtrend that Alibaba has been inside of for pretty much 2 years. Pretty much back here in late October, October of 2020. So this is the channel working lower, very bearish. A lot of channels working lower, unfortunately, for Alibaba. No end in sight as of right now. So again, we're still inside this channel. Any reversal was short-lived, and prices still continue to work lower. It's just more profitable for traders to be short selling instead of buying this market because the profit potential is greater. So really no aggressive buyers as of right now, and looks like sellers are in control. So we are at the support side of this yellow channel, just like how we got a bounce previously before in the past. So we could see a potential reversal just temporarily, but nothing to be bullish about. Just still a very bearish chart. Let me zoom in on the chart, and you can see that we pretty much came back to 2016 price levels, and we are at a potential area to get a bounce because price action did bounce from here before, as you can see back here in December 2016. Let me zoom in on the chart. So this horizontal line is right where prices are trading, and you can see that back here in 2016 we came back down to test that level before continuing higher. So it is a support level, but with the momentum this downtrend has, I don't think anything is going to be support right now. I think they want to come for these all-time lows for Alibaba. So we can see those $60 levels or even the $50 levels probably in the coming weeks. So nothing bullish on the chart right now. Maybe if they drop down the market hard for Chinese stocks, that could be the capitulation, and then we could see prices rocket out of there. That's probably a bullish sign, is when we see just a huge dump. So that's probably what you want to see. It's more bearish to see like a slow grind down to your target. It's more bullish to see just a quick drop, and then if we have a quick drop, then that means the market is super extended, and that's what could lead to a reversal. So that's what bulls should be hoping for right now. Basically a very fast dump, and then we could see a reversal back up. As of right now, still very bearish. I'm pretty sure they want to target these 2015 lows, 2016 lows. Since they came all the way down from the $300 levels, it just makes sense for them to go all the way down to the $60 level, just because they dropped down so much. I highly doubt that they're gonna stop here and just reverse the market. It just doesn't seem likely. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So what am I doing since I own Alibaba at my average price of 163? Well, stocks aren't really a really large portion of my portfolio, so I'm not really that worried. However, I'm definitely not averaging down, because I'm pretty sure everyone liked that $100 price level, and they probably bought some right there. But then now we're going to the $86 level, so we can even go to the $60 level. So there's no reason to be continuing average down. I'm very happy with the price level I bought Alibaba at. So even if Alibaba 5 or 6 X's to $500 or $600, I'm still up a lot. So I don't really need to average down on this stock, because it's very risky right now. It wasn't risky before because the drop wasn't that much, but now we're dropping so much where it's very risky, where we can just continue lower. Obviously, you know, how much lower can we go? I don't know. The chart tells me that we've been trading at the $58 level, so we could go back there, but I'm definitely not averaging down. I'm gonna stay in cash. I'd rather pick up other shares that are beaten down and look for those opportunities. But Alibaba, I'm just gonna stick with what I have. Don't want to be adding to a loser. I'd rather be waiting for a reversal and then add to a winner. So as right now, I'm staying put on the sidelines on Baba, even though it's much better to been purchasing at these share prices than before. Ridiculous price levels, because we're back here at the 2015, or even we're below IPO prices back here in 2014. So that's what, 6-8 years of just nothing, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of traders or investors who are holding their shares from all the way back here in the past. So they're pretty much didn't make any money from buying a holding. That's why sometimes it's good to just get out of your winning position just partially and lock in some profits. So that's usually the other side of the market that no one really talks about. Like, buy and holding is a good strategy if the market always goes up, you know, like the S&P 500, where we usually go up and have strong trends, and versus other stocks that also have these harsh bear markets where you would be just wiped out. So that's just the other side of the market that no one really talks about. So let's take a look at the chart on the weekly. Pretty much the same story. We're going down. This is just a more summarized viewpoint than the daily. There's less bars on the chart. Very strong downtrend. No end in sight. We are getting a little overextended, just like we did previously, but we might even get a reversal. We could just be flat for a while before continuing lower. So as of right now, looks like they're trying to reach these lower price levels, and we'll see where they really want to take this stock at the end of the day. So give you guys an update if anything else changes. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.